Look at that. So let's get closer. This is the DJI MIC MINI wireless microphone. I don't know if y'all can read that. So it says 10 grams, small, ultralight, discreet, compact. What else? High quality audio with stable transmission. What does the next one say? 10-hour battery. DJI OsmoAudio, direct connection for premium sound quality. 2-level active noise canceling. Automatic limiting to prevent audio clipping. Receiver, transmitter 2, windscreen 2, compact carrying pouch, clip magnet 2, mobile phone adapter, transmitter charging dock ×2, camera audio cable, splitter charging cable, USB-C charging cable, made for iPhone. Let's cut it open. And let's open it up. So we get some stickers as usual. This is like perfect DJI packaging. Or nice packaging all the time. DJI. We get a DJI Mini Quick Start Guide. And DJI Mini Safety Guidelines. We get another bag. Our tag, a nice DJI pouch, carrying handle, it zips. Everything is stuffed inside here. Whoa, that's strong magnet. Silicone pouch. All right, we emptied everything out of the pouch. Let's go over. All right, so what is this? This looks like a charging port. This looks like the second charging port. That y'all see. USB-C charger. This looks like the receiver. Power button. This is a cover for your charger or something. I don't know. We go figure it out though. Clamp in the back. Blinking LED of the mic RX. Blinking lets us know it's on. Let's power it off. I don't know how to power it off. Oh, I powered it off. Okay, what's next? We got a microphone with a cover on it. That's one microphone. It has a power switch on the side. When it's powered on, a green LED blinking. I don't know what this button is yet, but let's power it back off. 3-second hold. This is our second microphone. That's identical to the first one. Oh, okay, so it's that clamps on. It can be pulled off with a little force and clamps on. The windscreen. I don't know what this is yet, but we have 2 of them. Oh no, we have 1 of them. All I see is 1. Oh, we have 2. We have 2. They're magnetized. It was sticking to something. So it's actually 2 magnets in here. Let's get the magnets out without dropping them anywhere. Oh, they are strong magnets, DJI quality. Y'all hear that? Wow. Those are really good. All right, the next thing let's see the magnet. Let's just show y'all everything. I want to put them, okay, I'm gonna put them, oh, they repelling each other. Now they're not repelling, I flipped it. We have a USB to USB-C charging cable. And then what do we have here? Let's see what this is. So this right here is your camera audio cable. And this piece right here is your charger, USB-C charging cable ×2. A splitter, that's your splitter, and this is your other charging cable. Whoa, that magnet is sticking to the wires. That's pretty good. So I don't know how to work this yet, but I'm gonna learn. What are these for? Are these like, whoa. Whoa, okay, so did you see that? I don't know. Wow. I like that though. Wow. The quality is just, look at it. It's lightweight, but feels dense still. It feels like it's good quality. I'm just dropped it and don't seem like it hurt it at all. Wow. So this is a DJI MIC Mini receiver and 2 mics. Yes, okay, so it's magnetized to go in only one way, so you can't do it wrong. And the LED blinks to let you know the status and that it's charging. And this one is supposed to charge your RX, your transmitter. And when that's charging, it also blinks and give you a status of the charge. You get this cool little carrying pouch, put everything in. Don't know what that's for yet. How to use that. Cool sticker I'll keep in my box so I don't lose them. Alright, so I'm gonna let them charge. So we got a few things charging. DJI. Wow, that magnet